Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to your Notion workspace. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Notion workspace set up and you want to go ahead and invite a team member or project manager to your Notion board. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So there's actually numerous ways to do this. The first way is that you can click on your workspace on the upper left-hand corner, then click on Invite Members. And then this is where you can invite a team member here. You can assign them a role, so a workspace owner or a member, and you can send them an invite right over here. So by inviting members this way, all you've got to do is paste their emails here and then click on invite. The other way you can do it is that if you click onto the workspace, then click on settings, then click on people. You could also go ahead and invite link to add members here as well. So if I click on add members, same thing, you're just going to go ahead and input their email address, select their role, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite people to your Notion workspace. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.